Okay, in my shower here, we only have these two stupid little shelves, which just isn't enough space. And so we are gonna be fixing this problem by using these two suction cups. It was $1 for the both of them, and be designing something on the 3D printer that can attach to that, which can add a little bit more space inside the shower. So let's get after it. All right, we've been printing for about 2 hours here, and the hard part's finished with all of these hexagons down here on the bottom, and there's only about an hour left as it does the sides and the back, and it's turning out quite nicely. Okay, so I've tried it out and it works okay. It's probably a 4 out of 10 on like an arbitrary crappiness scale. It tips forward a little bit when there's a full can of shaving cream right there. What I would do is maybe print some caps that can extend those standoffs a little bit so that it can't tip as far forward. Also, you can see there's some stringiness that took place right there because that was an unsupported bridge. And a couple ways I can do that is reduce this overall angle it brings up, but it's not going to affect the performance of it in any way. So it's working out okay. You know, I'll put a link in the comments to the file. I'll drop this on Thingiverse. Go ahead and take a look. And if you have any suggestions on how to make it better, just let me know.